Welcome, everyone, to our Beginner English podcast. Today, we'll explore how to talk about your morning. Maya, what's the first thing you say when you wake up?
Great question, Alex. When I wake up, I usually say, "Good morning," to my roommate. It's a simple way to start the day on a positive note. In English, wake up means to stop sleeping and become aware.
That's a helpful phrase. Notice how we use the present simple tense. I wake up at 7. Maya, do you ever use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. I set my alarm for 7 o'clock every weekday. The present simple is perfect for talking about habits, like I get up early or she wakes up late.
After waking up, many people greet their family or roommates. I might say, "Did you sleep well?" How would you answer, Maya?
Yes, I slept well, thank you. Or, if I didn't sleep much, I could say, I was up late. These phrases help start a friendly conversation in the morning.
Exactly. And if you're feeling tired, you can say, "I'm still sleepy." Small talk like this is common, especially when sharing space with others.
Right, Alex. In many cultures, exchanging morning greetings is a way to show care and set a positive tone for the day.
Let's dive deeper into daily habits. The present simple tense is the foundation here. Maya, can you share a few examples?
Certainly. I say, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, or I have breakfast. These sentences describe things I do every morning.
Good examples. Remember, for third person singular, we add an S. She makes coffee. He leaves for work.
Yes, and we often use adverbs of frequency, like usually, sometimes, or always. For instance, I usually eat breakfast at home.
Let's highlight some key vocabulary. Maya, what verbs do you use to describe your morning routine?
I often say, wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, make coffee, and leave for work.
Those are essential. Listeners, try repeating, I get up, I brush my teeth. Notice the connected speech in get up.
Connected speech makes English sound natural. We blend sounds, so get up sounds like get up. Practicing this helps you sound more fluent.
Pronunciation is vital for clear communication. Maya, can you give us a tip for saying brush my teeth naturally?
Of course. In fast speech, brush my teeth often sounds like brush my teeth. The my becomes very short. Let's practice. Brush my teeth, have breakfast.
Great. Also, in get dressed, the t in get blends with dressed, so it sounds like dressed. Repeating these helps develop muscle memory.
Absolutely. Repetition is key. And don't worry if it feels awkward at first. With practice, your pronunciation will improve naturally.
Let's talk about breakfast. What do you usually eat in the morning, Maya?
I usually have toast and eggs, but sometimes I make oatmeal. To express this, I say, I make breakfast, I eat cereal, or I drink coffee.
That's useful vocabulary. Listeners, try saying, I have coffee, I eat fruit. Remember, have often replaces eat or drink in casual English.
Exactly. You can say, I have juice, instead of, I drink juice. It's a common, natural way to talk about food and drinks.
These days, many people check their phones in the morning. Maya, what do you look at first?
I usually check messages and emails. I might say, I check my phone or I read the news. These actions are part of many people's routines now.
True. Planning the day is also important. For example, I look at my calendar or I make a to-do list. These help organize your morning.
Yes, and discussing plans with a roommate, like, what time are you leaving? Or, do you need a ride? Adds coordination to the routine.
Let's move on to getting dressed. Maya, how do you decide what to wear each day?
I check the weather and choose comfortable clothes. I say, I get dressed, or I put on my shoes. To express preferences, I like wearing jeans, or I prefer shirts.
That's practical. Listeners, practice. I get dressed quickly. She likes bright colors. It's useful for sharing your style or routine.
Exactly. You can also use time expressions. In the morning, I wear a sweater, or at 8 o'clock, I put on my jacket.
After getting ready, it's time to leave. Maya, what phrases do you use before going out?
I often say, I'm leaving now, or see you later. These simple sentences make transitions clear. In English, Leave for work means to go out to your job or school.
Exactly. You might also hear, "What time do you leave?" or "I leave at 8." These patterns help you talk about schedules.
And to wish someone a good day, we say, "Have a nice day," or "Good luck today." These phrases show encouragement and support.
Now let's put everything together. Listeners, can you describe your morning routine? Start with "I wake up at" and add details using today's vocabulary.
For example, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, have breakfast, get dressed, and leave for work at 8. Try to use present simple tense and adverbs of frequency, like usually or sometimes.
Don't forget pronunciation. Focus on connected speech as you repeat phrases. Practicing aloud builds confidence and fluency.
Great job, everyone! The more you practice these structures, the easier it becomes to talk about your day in English.
Let's recap. Today, we learned how to talk about morning routines, use present simple tense, and practice pronunciation for natural English.
Remember, daily practice is essential. Just 10 minutes each morning, repeating these phrases will improve your speaking and listening skills.
And don't worry about mistakes. Every attempt helps you grow. Keep listening, practicing, and soon, talking about your day will feel easy.
Thank you for joining us today. We're proud of your progress. Until next time, have a wonderful morning and keep learning English the natural way.